Hello, I am with Seed System Solutions, and in this video, I will cover the process of creating a new budget. If you do not see any of the options referenced in this video, please contact your admin user within your organization for assistance in getting these menu options. To create a new budget, from the main menu, you will select Reports, then the Accounting category, and then Budget. You will have a dialog box pop up. In here, you can enter a search criteria. You can leave the search criteria blank and hit OK to see all options that have been entered, or select New to create a new budget. If you're on the budget list, from the hamburger menu, you can select New. You can also filter this budget list by specific budget names or use the Quick Find menu. So from the hamburger menu, I will select New to create a new budget, and I will be prompted to enter a budget name. Upon creating the budget, you're then going to be asked to enter the terms that this budget will be entered in. You can choose monthly, quarterly, or annual. This will populate how many entry boxes you will have to enter. Upon selecting your terms, you will be asked to enter the begin date for your budget, and then you can select OK. Once you've done that, you do need to select whether you're going to enter this budget by the full company or if you're going to enter it by individual departments. If you select by departments, you will then need to select your department that you are entering your budget for. You can do that using the Select Department button. Once here, you are going to see a list of your departments. If the department displays in red, that means no values have been entered for that department. If it displays in yellow, that means values have been entered, but it has not been marked complete. If it is green, that means values have been entered and the department has been marked complete. I'm going to select the company for this demonstration. You're going to then see a list of boxes based on your terms. So if you have annual, you'll see 1 box, quarterly 4 boxes, monthly 12 boxes to enter. You will see a list of all of your accounts that are in the chart of accounts. You can then go down the list and enter in your values for that account. Once you enter your values, there is no save button. You can leave the budget by using the back logo in the top left-hand corner. If you need to edit a budget that you've previously created, once you're on the budget list, you can use the ID number to enter into that budget. And the back logo will get you out of the budget list. You can compare these budgets to your reports using your budget versus actual report or your budget versus actual totals reports, and that will compare to your P&L. If you have any questions about Seed System Solutions, please reference any of our other training videos, email us at grow@seedsystem.co, or register for one of our free monthly Seed System Support Zoom meetings.